Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. And here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with electric stabilizer jacks, spare tire and carrier, solar power prep, roof ladder, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, a loft, quad slides, outside kitchen refrigerator, quad step entry, LED exterior lighting, backup camera ready, big corner shower, rear living area, high-rise faucet, LED interior lighting, detachable power cord, USB charging station, sofa bed, satellite prep, vanity with sink, oven, ceiling fan, smoke detector, pull-out spray faucet, refrigerator, electric awning with LED lights, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth stereo system, underbed storage, designer headboard. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, and toy haulers from some of the most popular brands. So stop by or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 45 years. Welcome to the family.